All right, let's talk about this. This is cool. I love the colors, the white and the like the grayish, dark gray.
Yep.
Sharp looking.
Yeah, they used to be like a tan. That was like a 21.5 switchover they did. This one's a 2022.
Okay.
So
yeah.
Interior decor is different. Exterior is obviously different. Tried to modernize it. I think
so
they hit.
cool looking.
I think they hit it right on the mark. I really do. So let's start back here, buddy. I want to definitely point out how big this storage is on the FR3. People with Class A's are always worried about storage.
Wow.
And that's just the rear. So
yeah,
I mean, that's a lot of storage if you're on the road.
And you know what I like about this, and it's probably, yep, you get the little hole right there, so that if you wanted to fill this with ice, you're having a little tailgating going on here, fill this with ice, throw your drinks in there, it drains right out the bottom there. That's
all enclosed with plastic, guys. No chance for stuff to leak through, rot anything, and you can wipe it out with a cleaning solution. So
that's awesome. Tell me if you see Tim walking up behind me. What is this, more storage?
Yeah, that'll be more storage there.
Okay. Yeah.
All the way through here, eye level storage. So
wow. Yeah.
Use it as like a workspace, even if you had to. So.
Yeah, this is great.
Tons outdoor storage. Awning length, pretty good length there.
Yep.
Slide out stops the awning from being giant, but that's as perfect.
But you got that over top of the what's that called?
That's going to be a slide out awning.
Okay.
So it any
makes sense.
Twigs, sticks, or anything that falls on top of that, they'll just roll out instead of closing and crashing those seals that are inside there. Tear them. That gets very expensive.
Awesome.
So just a cheap insurance. Entertainment package. So when you guys are tailgating or watching the game or something, underneath the awning and TV right there with 2 speakers.
Yeah. So can we show the front? The front of this thing looks cool. When I pull in, I just like the big, flat front end. Yeah. It's just...
That was, again, all redesigned. They redesigned the grille, exterior colors, LED headlights, I mean, everything for the 2022 model. So
awesome looking. I mean, as far as like looks, I realize there's some that are bigger and maybe more powerful and all that, if that's what you're looking for. But just the looks of this one, I think this might be my favorite as far as looks.
And price color. I mean, something this price point.
What is the price point on
$132,000, about $54, depending upon the options. So
that's awesome.
Everything that you have, not a whole lot of options. Everything will come standard. So definitely a very good entry level, even intermediate kind of coach, so to say.
Yeah.
So
I say we get inside and take a look.
Let's check inside.
All right.
Power steps too. So when you shut that door,
shut the door,
those steps will fold in automatically.
Wow, so open back through there. Well, let's start up here, and then we'll bring the camera back and show how open it is up there.
Yeah, nice, snug seating arrangement, so you kind of still feel like you're maybe in a bigger truck cockpit, not driving a big, giant Class A motorhome.
I mean, well, like you said, the front end is right there, so you don't have to judge like I know there's the engine out there farther in front of me, and it's just right there.
Yeah, everything's right there. Side view cameras, backup camera. I mean, it's super easy to drive one of these. No need to be scared of one like maybe 10 years ago, so to say.
Well, with all the cameras, especially like you said, with all the cameras nowadays, and I think I mentioned every show that for a while there, in between jobs I had in the past, one job I had was driving for FedEx. Yeah. And I drove one of their bigger trucks, not the semi or trailer, but the bigger box truck. And I trained on it for like a week. Didn't even need the week. You know, I was a little intimidated at first. I hadn't driven anything that big. And it's so easy to drive those things. And that was back before backing cameras and side cameras and all that. So, yeah, this is great. Awesome. Is that a bed up there?
Yeah, that will be power. So you guys can press a button, and that will fold flat down to create a bunk up above. So sleeping bunk, storage bunk, whatever you guys want to use.
Nice. So kind of like the table here in the middle.
And that also is removable too.
Okay.
So super
and I know this is for like workspace.
Workspace, laptop space, TV tray, whatever you want to do. So
yeah, so cool. Yeah, you're a rock star if you're driving around one of these, right? Let's trade you places so you can see. I mean, look at that down through there. That is just awesome. This camera comes around there. It's just so open.
That's what these slides do, guys. Be a super slide. So, I mean, you have the dinette, the theater seating, and the fridge all in one giant slide. You open this whole wall of the coach off. That's where your size comes from. And then the bed being on a slide, and I can't wait to go back there and show how much room that people had to get ready and walk around the bed. So,
you know, I think that, like, the secret is to look at the floor. Like, you see a lot of floor in this thing, which means the more floor you see, the more space you have.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Yeah. I did it again. That is not a microwave. It's going to take you a while to warm something up with one of these, but they do get warm.
Yeah.
Probably not warm enough to heat up your food, though.
Oven, 3-burner cooktop, glass backsplash folds off, keeps all the rest of the backsplash protected. I'm going to have a really good sized microwave, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
More of a residential style. Solid surface countertops. Going to have the grates that go above the sink for more counter space if you're not using the sink. That can be used as a cutting board.
It's kind of cool looking, too.
Tons of storage. Motorhomes, I always want to keep that in mind. Fold out shelf here, more counter space. So big dinette, U-shaped dinette too, so you can have somebody squirrel around on the other side there. You're going to be able to drop that down too, and that can be like a hangout area, lounge area, sleeping arrangement for a smaller adult child. So
yeah, it's great. All right, let's head back this way. Big old TV, holy moly. Sitting that close, that TV's going to seem huge. Bathroom midway back in the thing.
Yeah, good size too. Good feeding position. Your legs aren't hanging out in the doorway. You can shut the door easily too.
Right.
So,
room for towels here. Now you're gonna have to roll the towels and slide them in here, obviously, because it's a little narrower. But you got plenty of space. It goes all the way back. Something cool here, and you'll have to tell me what you think, because this is a pocket door. I'm assuming with that closed, you can probably squeeze into the bathroom?
You can. Yep. Okay. They leave just enough room. That would be, they really don't have a coach that'll do that, because you think traveling, you always want to make sure you can get to the bathroom.
Okay.
So.
Awesome. Oh, here's more. I didn't even see this. Oh, jeez.
Tons of storage.
Wow. What is...
There's going to be a little...
you know what this is for? It's got the hookup for a washer dryer.
Yep.
So if you have one unit washer dryer, it goes right there. If you don't want a washer and dryer, you get a lot of storage space there, or a very good hide and seek spot.
Yeah.
Well, not very good, because people are going to check drawers like that, but still kind of cool.
More storage space, little corner shelf there. That's cool. Nice. Kind of use everything they got, so to say.
Wow, look at this. More, just
a lot of space.
Lots of space.
Yeah, tons of space. I like to be able to walk around the bed on a camper, especially. When this slide's closed, guys, this bed don't fold up either. You'll see a lot of them. It'll be a quarter bed there, and you'll sometimes have a crease that forms in that mattress over time.
Right.
This bed can come all the way up, and don't have to worry about folding the mattress up or anything like that.
Yeah.
Tons of storage above. His and her night lights. Bunch of USB chargers on both sides, CPAP storage, flat surface storage. I mean, everything you look for in a bedroom. So
lots of storage up here even.
Yeah, his and hers closets.
Man.
Long TV hookup, storage for DVD players.
Yep. More
storage for whatever you want to set there. Big, tall, deep drawers.
Yep. You can even put a laser disc player here. Do you remember laser disc? You probably don't remember laser disc.
No,
what about the size of records? Do you remember records?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Back when rainbows were black and white.
Oh, that's just Tyler just called me out. That I said I was 27 earlier. 27 in like dog years.
Yeah.
Yeah.